Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word consigned. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He consigned his old paintings to the auction house in hopes of making some extra money. Consigned in this context means to hand over or deliver something to someone else for safekeeping, sale, or disposal on one's behalf. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.